In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zillow account. It's a straightforward process, but it's crucial for accessing the comprehensive suite of tools and services Zillow offers, whether you're looking to buy, sell, or simply explore real estate options. So, let's dive right in and set up your Zillow account. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Zillow.com. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen, where you'll notice a Sign In option. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to accessing Zillow's extensive resources, so it's essential to find it easily. Once you click the Sign In button, a login pop-up will appear. Here, you'll want to direct your attention to the option that reads New Account or Create an Account. This option is poised to help you establish your new presence on Zillow, giving you access to personalized property suggestions, the ability to save your favorite homes, and much more. In this next step, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a unique password. Make sure your password is strong and secure, combining uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. This ensures that your account is well protected. Remember, your email will serve as your primary point of contact, so make sure it's one you frequently check and have easy access to. After you've entered your email and chosen a secure password, the next step is to verify and complete your sign-up. In many cases, you'll be automatically signed in after completing your details. However, Zillow may send a verification email to the address you provided. I recommend checking your inbox, including the spam or junk folder, just in case it lands there. Follow any instructions contained in the email to confirm your registration. This verification process is a key security measure designed to protect your personal information and keep your account protected. And there you have it, a brand new Zillow account ready to use. With your new account, you'll enjoy the benefits of receiving alerts on potential listings that match your criteria, saving the homes you are interested in, and accessing a wide variety of tools that can aid you in making informed real estate decisions. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to create a Zillow account. We hope this guide was helpful and that setting up your account was a breeze. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to explore Zillow's extensive help resources or get in touch with their support team. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Happy house hunting!